will be learning more about the Hawaiian island of Oahu. Appropriately nicknamed the Gathering Place, Oahu is the most populous of the Hawaiian island. The state capital and largest city, Honolulu, is located on this island. The popular region of Waikiki is also found on the island of Oahu. It was once a haven for Hawaiian royalty. With beautiful beaches and world-class shopping abundant, this is a great place to visit. Five-time Olympic medalist Duke Kahanamoku hails from Waikiki, and he is credited with broadening the popularity of surfing throughout the world. Roughly an hour's drive from Waikiki is Haleiwa. This relaxed surf town is where surfers go to refuel and tourists go to relax at the simple restaurants in the area. Iolani Palace is the United States' only royal palace and is found in downtown Honolulu. Today, the palace is a museum and one of Hawaii's most important historical landmarks.